Welcome to Corporal's Corner. Wait a minute. Today we're talking about gear. Let's go old school. Welcome to Corporal's Corner. Today we're going to talk about my rarely seen comfort items, so stick around. I don't know, I'm kind of liking the hat. See, what I do is I take my hat, I try to turn it around. It's like a switch that goes on. And when that switch goes on, I feel like another person. I don't know, I feel like a truck, like a machine. In several of my videos we talked about the 10 C's of survivability. And in those videos, I talk about how those 10 items can function together as a minimum kit, but should be the core of every kit. What I seldom talk about or show you are my comfort items. Now when you think about it, comfort items are designed for that purpose, to make your life more comfortable or easier out in the field. The reality is, you don't need comfort items to conduct basic survival, but they're good to have. So, on that note, let's go ahead and talk about my comfort items that I bring to the field that you rarely see. The first item we can talk about is the Opossum Perch Camping Stool by Opossum Pouch Soft Goods. The Opossum Perch Camping Stool. Folded up, it forms a triangle that measures 9 by 9 by 9, is made from 18-inch duck canvas, and weighs approximately 4.5 ounces. This takes up virtually no room in your pack, and the best part is, all you have to do is make legs for it, and you're good to go. Making the legs for your stool is very simple. You just need 3 poles. And you want those poles to be anywhere from 1 inch to 1.5 inches diameter, roughly 16 to 18 inches in length. And then you're going to simply make a tripod. So taking our 3 poles, we'll go down about halfway and tie an improvised tripod lash. So to do that, I'm going to start off with a timber hitch. I'm going to wrap around itself 3 times. And pull it tight. Now from here, I'll just go under, over, then back around, and we'll do this 3 times. Now from here, what we'll do, so I'll go in between 2 times on each one. That's called frapping. Pull it tight. Pull that one tight. I can finish off right here with a clove hitch or a constrictor knot, wherever you prefer. And this is optional. If you want, you can taper the ends down for a better fit. Next on my list is the Drix Bushcraft Grill. The Drix Bushcraft Grill measures 12 inches by 6 inches, is made from high-strength stainless steel, and weighs 7.5 ounces. And it also comes with a wax canvas foraging bag. Now I like this because it's larger than most. Of the ones I've seen, they're 9x5 or 6x6. And for me, this is the perfect size. I can cook a full-size steak on here, yet it's small enough to fit between the gear in my pack. Alright, moving right along. The next one, the Grail Geo Press. Now I've done a full-length video on this. If you want to see it, click on the icon at the top of the screen and it will take you there. Otherwise, let's check out the specs. The Grail Geo Press water purifier measures 10 inches by 3 inches, holds 24 ounces, weighs 15 ounces, and removes 99.99% of viruses, bacteria, protozoa, and parasites. Alright, don't get me wrong. The number one way to make sure water is safe is by boiling it. Bringing that water to a rapid rolling boil will eliminate or kill all the viruses, bacteria, protozoa, and parasites that are in that water. However, what if it's been raining for 5 days? Flip side, what if it's 120 in the shade? Can I make a fire, or do I want to make a fire? Probably not. And that's where purification comes through filtration. This, in my opinion, is the fastest, easiest way to make sure the water's safe and drinkable within 8 seconds. Now, I can already see the comments. He doesn't have a Sawyer Mini. Get a rope. Well, I do have one, but here's my solution. This can be used in a field or urban setting. Am I going to bust out a Sawyer squeeze bag in a hotel in Mexico? Probably not. Flip side, if I'm hiking somewhere and I want 24 ounces of water within 8 seconds, this is my choice. First time, every time. And the last two items I want to talk about are made by Yuko, and that's the Sprout Mini Lantern and Mess Kit. The Yuko Sprout Mini Lantern runs on 3 AAA batteries, is 100 lumen on high setting and 10 lumen on low setting. It has a detachable magnetic lanyard and weighs 2.2 ounces. No matter where I'm at or where I go, I'm always going to carry a headlamp. Why? Because I'm hands-free. But having something like that Yuko Sprout Mini Lantern will make my life a hell of a lot easier. Say, attaching it to a ridgeline on a tarp or a hammock setup. So taking your magnetic lantern, all we're going to do is make a lark's head knot. We're going to put it on the ridgeline, then pass it through itself. It's going to lock down, and there you go. You can slide it to wherever you want. And last but not least, the Yuko Mess Kit. This is actually a 4-piece set consisting of a lid, bowl, plastic spork, and lanyard. I went ahead and tossed the lanyard and the spork because, well, I don't like plastic utensils. The Yuko Mess Kit will hold 23 fluid ounces, measures 7 by 7 by 2 inches deep, has a leak-proof gasket around the lid, easy to hold handles, and weighs 8 ounces. Welcome back. Comfort items are outstanding. Are they necessary for survival? No. Will they make your life a lot easier if you have them? Yes. As usual, all the gear in this video can be found on my Amazon influencer page, with the exception of the Opossum Perch Camp Stool. That can be found at the Self-Reliance Outfitters. If you use my code Pathfinder10cc, you get a 10% discount on everything in the store, with the exception of classes and already discounted items. I'll place both those links in my description box. Now please do me that favor, hit that like and subscribe button, then ring that notification bell. Once you ring that bell, please select all notifications. And as always, thank you for your comments, views, and support. Thanks for watching. Get out in the field, have some fun, I'm gonna catch you next time.